Welcome to ReneEnergy.com on YouTube, the hub for all things renewable energy and sustainability. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest innovations and insights in green energy, including cutting-edge developments like green hydrogen. Whether you're a sustainability veteran or just beginning your journey, we have something for everyone. Join us on this channel to explore inspiring projects for a sustainable tomorrow. We bring you the latest in renewable energy, sustainability, and cutting-edge technologies. And don't forget, for more in-depth information and resources, visit our website and subscribe to our newsletter for the latest updates and exclusive content.
As the global race toward decarbonization intensifies, heavy industries, those traditionally powered by fossil fuels, are finding themselves at a critical crossroads. Sectors like steel manufacturing, refining, cement production, and chemicals have long been seen as difficult to decarbonize. However, green hydrogen is quickly emerging as a powerful enabler of deep emissions cuts in these high-impact sectors. In this video, we're taking you inside what a typical heavy industrial facility powered by green hydrogen actually looks like, how it functions, and why it's poised to reshape global manufacturing as we know it. Imagine standing at the edge of a massive industrial complex. On one side, you see towering electrolyzers powered by clean electricity, quietly splitting purified water into hydrogen and oxygen. Nearby, wind turbines spin steadily, and rows of solar panels soak up sunlight, all feeding zero-emission power into the electrolyzers. In contrast to the smoke-belching plants of the past, there is no soot, no heavy pollution, and very little noise. This is the industrial landscape of the future: green, smart, and sustainable. One of the most compelling use cases for green hydrogen in heavy industry is green steel. Traditionally, steel is produced by reducing iron ore in blast furnaces using coke, a derivative of coal. This process is one of the most carbon-intensive in the world. But with green hydrogen, the process can be entirely reimagined. Direct reduced iron, DRI technology, enables hydrogen to replace coke as the reducing agent, releasing only water vapor instead of CO2. In countries like Sweden and Germany, pilot plants are already producing green steel at industrial scale, showcasing how an age-old industry can evolve with the right clean energy tools. Walk a bit further into our imagined industrial complex, and you'll find a hydrogen-powered ammonia plant. Ammonia is a key component in fertilizers and is traditionally made using gray hydrogen from natural gas via steam methane reforming. In a green hydrogen facility, the same reaction takes place, but the hydrogen is generated cleanly from water. The result? A dramatically lower carbon footprint in one of the world's most essential agricultural inputs. In the future, this same ammonia may even be used as a fuel or a hydrogen carrier for export. A green hydrogen industrial zone isn't just about replacing one fuel with another. It also comes with smarter design, tighter integration, and more efficient operations. Instead of separate sites for energy production and manufacturing, many facilities are now being co-located to minimize energy losses, reduce transportation needs, and create circular systems. Oxygen, a byproduct of electrolysis, is even reused in processes that require high-purity oxygen, adding another layer of efficiency. Inside the refinery section of the plant, green hydrogen is used for hydrocracking and hydrotreating, core refining processes that require large amounts of hydrogen to break down complex hydrocarbons. Traditionally, these have been major sources of emissions due to the fossil-based hydrogen feedstock. By switching to green hydrogen, refiners can maintain high-performance operations while significantly cutting emissions. As the demand for low-carbon fuels increases, green hydrogen integration becomes not only environmentally beneficial, but economically strategic. Let's not forget cement, the backbone of the construction industry. Producing cement involves extremely high-temperature kilns traditionally fired by coal or natural gas. Hydrogen, with its high flame temperature and zero emissions, can serve as an ideal substitute for parts of this process. Although still in the early stages, trials in Europe and Asia are already showing promise. Over time, combining hydrogen combustion with carbon capture could bring cement production to near zero emissions, something once thought impossible. From a bird's eye view, a green hydrogen-powered industrial site is a marvel of clean engineering. Electrolyzer arrays hum along silently, fed by renewable power. Pipelines distribute hydrogen to various buildings on site, whether for steel furnaces, chemical reactors, or fuel cells powering internal logistics. Massive cylindrical storage tanks hold compressed hydrogen or liquid hydrogen, depending on site needs. Advanced safety systems, real-time monitoring, and hydrogen sensors ensure the plant runs smoothly and safely. But what truly sets this future-ready industry apart isn't just its infrastructure. It's the mindset shift behind it. Green hydrogen integration requires long-term planning, multi-stakeholder collaboration, and a willingness to break away from decades of carbon dependency. These facilities often form part of larger hydrogen valleys or hubs, where government support, utility partnerships, and private investment intersect to make the economics viable. In places like the Netherlands, Texas, and the Middle East, entire regions are being reshaped by this clean energy revolution. One of the hidden benefits of green hydrogen in heavy industry is how it unlocks grid flexibility and energy storage potential. Because hydrogen can be stored for long periods and used on demand, it allows industrial users to buffer against price volatility in electricity markets or participate in demand response programs. Some facilities even operate hybrid systems where excess hydrogen can be used to generate electricity during peak hours, stabilizing the grid and creating new revenue streams. Of course, scaling these kinds of projects isn't without challenges. Green hydrogen remains more expensive than fossil-based hydrogen, although costs are falling rapidly thanks to better electrolyzer tech, economies of scale, and policy incentives. Regulatory frameworks need to catch up, especially in terms of hydrogen pipelines, safety codes, and guarantees of origin. But the momentum is building. For many companies, the long-term cost of inaction, facing carbon taxes, investor pressure, and lost market access, is far greater than the upfront investment required to go green. Ultimately, what we're seeing with green hydrogen and heavy industry is nothing short of a transformation. It's not about retrofitting the old, but reimagining the future. The facilities of tomorrow will be cleaner, smarter, and more integrated. And while some of this vision is still emerging, parts of it are already here, up and running in real time, demonstrating that the shift is not just possible, but inevitable. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in how green hydrogen is changing not just industry, but the future of energy itself, make sure to check out the Green Hydrogen Project Development and Financing course at renewable.com. Whether you're an entrepreneur, consultant, or energy professional, this course gives you the tools to take part in the hydrogen revolution. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to support more clean energy content.
Thanks for tuning into the renewable.com YouTube channel. We trust you found this episode enlightening and motivating. There's a world of innovation and opportunity in sustainable energy, and we're delighted to share this journey with you. Stay in the loop with the latest on renewable energy and sustainability by visiting our website and subscribing to our newsletter. Your support is immensely appreciated, it's truly invaluable to us. Don't miss our next video on new trends in renewable energy. Follow us on social media for the latest updates. Enjoyed the video? Like, subscribe, and share for more green insights. Thanks for watching.